Okay, let me give you a quick tour of Custom Software Generator. This is where you will brand, distribute, and manage all the software for your clients. There's no need to access any source code throughout your computer anymore to edit your client's data, then repackage it, and then find a way to manage all these new master sources. Everything is done nice and easily right from Custom Software Generator. Okay, let's talk about the master BizOps software for a minute here. Again, included with the package, we're going to include several BizOps software digital products you can brand and resell to your clients. More to come later. We'll even have a developer's kit that you can create your own and the option to convert some of your old products over. But we'll get into that later. Right now, I just want to show you how easy it is to install new master software and customize them for your clients. You'll click Add Master Software. Click Import, locate the CSV file that will include with your BizOps software. Click Open. There you go. All this data will be used to customize the software. This one, for example, has 10 custom branded fields that you'll use when you customize the software. And one of the best things about Custom Software Generator, I mean, this is awesome. This is why we created it. This is why we love it. This is why we made a lot of money with Custom Software Generator. Every single product you create is going to have its own install program automatically for your clients to install the software. But you can brand the license text, the installed text with your data. Our company's not going to appear there. You can actually control what your client sees while they're installing the software. That's pretty powerful stuff. But once you're done, you'll click Create. We already have this one in there, so I'll just click Cancel. And let's go back to the main screen. You can see right here that we have 3 different BizOps softwares already in there. Disregard these titles. I'll just have these in here for a sample. We'll have some different ones included with the package, some really neat, current, cutting-edge stuff. All right, let's get into how you actually customize the software right now. Okay, let's just say you sold a $297 package to a client, wants his software customized with his company name and information so he can then resell it with full marketing rights to his clients, make a ton of money. And how easy is it for you to create this software? A snap. Click Add New Software. Select which one you want to customize. Remember, these are just samples. Click OK, enter his name, enter the custom text, click Create, and you're done. It's that simple. You've just created custom software. At the top here shows you what each of these custom fields for refers to in the software as a little cheat sheet, so you know what goes in each of those custom fields and how they work. Let's go ahead and create a quick sample so you can see how fast it works. So let's call this one Mr. Man. I'm just going to enter any data in here right now so you can just get an idea how it works. We're done. We just created a custom software and it was installed on your computer, or not installed, it was just copied. The setup file was just located in this directory. Piece of cake, that fast. You just created custom software. There's many things you can do right now, and this is the amazing part of Custom Software Generator. You can click here to view the software right away to verify the data we just customized. Before you send it to your client, you want to make sure it's correct. There you go. A bunch of ease, and wherever else it appears in the software. We'll click out of that right now. Go back to the screen. If you wanted to install the software, you can click here. If you wanted to copy this file to your computer or an external floppy, whatever you wanted to do, you can do that right there. A real cool, powerful feature is click here and you can wrap the setup.exe, which is the software you just created, in a zip file and email it as an attachment. So you just created this software for a client in about 5 seconds. Click here, email pops up with the software attached. Put the client's email in there, change the subject, say here's your software, click send, and you've just distributed the software to your client real quick. I mean, that's pretty amazing stuff. Here you can see the client we just created, the date, the software we just created for him. Now let's say Mr. Man says, you know, I love your software. Can I buy another one from you? Love it. Even easier for you. All you have to do is go back in here, right click. Let's click New Install. Now let's say he wants a different software. Let's say you're going to create him the mail order software. Since all the data is already in here, all you have to do is click Create, and you've just created another software from him. You can click here to send it to him. And a lot of times what we do is we don't do any of those. We just click Close, and we go to this location to take the setup.exe file, copy it to a CD with whatever else we're going to distribute, and it's done. That's it. We just created another software for him. the screen opens up there so you can easily access that file, but we don't need that now. Mr. Man wants another one. New install, mail order, click OK, click create, done. We just created 3 softwares from in about a minute. But let's say we made a mistake now. Mr. Man says, hey, my email address is wrong. Click recreate. I'm sorry, that allows me to recreate it again. We don't need to do that. That's just in case, 6 months from now he says, hey, I need a new copy of it. Can you send it to me? You don't have to go fumbling through your computer. Just click recreate, send it to him. Done. Let me close that down. But let's say you made a mistake. You can edit it. Click edit install, go in there, make your change, click update, and now we've just fixed this software and can send it right out. And that just shows you how easy it is, the power of customizing software and managing them for your clients.